Hi, again, it's me. Um, this purpose of this video is I'm going to go over your final exam. It's actually your final writing assignment for Composition 5. What you're going to be doing is you're going to write an argumentative essay on any topic of your choosing that I got to approve. Your thesis should be a statement of your opinion. We talked about that in one of the earlier videos. Your body paragraph should be major reasons why you have this opinion. You need at least 3 different sources to support your thesis. They should be referenced in your essay, in-text citations, and quotations should help to support your points and be clearly explained. There needs to be a works cited page at the end, and you need to use MLA format. That's what we've been working on the last couple of weeks. Remember to use as much factual support as possible. Avoid phrases such as good or bad or everybody who knows. For example, I should not say Starbucks is the best coffee because it's good. I should support it with factual support, such as the cost of the coffee or the freshness of the beans. How to choose a topic. Choose something that's interesting to you. Again, I will be approving your topics. Last semester, I saw a couple of topics that I approved that really did not work. So I'm going to be really hard on the topics. Choose a topic that you have a strong opinion. In the video on argumentative essays, I talked about, I did an example of wearing masks. If you're not sure what side you're on, it'll be much more difficult to convince someone of your opinion. You got to have a passion about things. As I said, I talk about masks in an earlier video. Do not choose a topic that's a personal preference. You'll never convince me that Dunkin' Donuts has the best coffee because my personal preference is not based on facts. An example for me, if I would not want to write a paper saying Jersey Mike's has the best subs because that's just my preference. You need to have 5 to 7 pages. You must submit them through Blackboard. Here are the dates. I know the page, I made a revision since I posted the initial assignment. So watch this. This is the official version. You need to have a topic to me by Friday night. Outline's going to be due on Tuesday, the 14th. The rough draft needs to be due on the 17th of July, and the final draft is going to be due on the 23rd. I have not posted assignments yet for the rough draft or the final essay. They're not going to go up for at least a week or so. So be aware of that. No late essays are going to be accepted. In your topic and your outlines, I want to see your sources. I want you to give me what you're using so I can assess if they're credible. I just did a video on source credibility. So look at that too. Okay, any questions, shoot me a message. I'll be available all week. I'm going to make an announcement on this, formal announcement, but next weekend I will not be available. I'm going to be taking off for a couple days, going to get a little beach time in. So need to get to me by the end of the week. Okay, thank you.